Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to restore settings to their original defaults on the Google Chrome browser. First, open the Google Chrome browser. Then, open Settings. Choose the Reset Settings option. Then, choose to restore settings to their original defaults. This action will reset Google Chrome settings in shortcuts. Disable extensions. Delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. Click on the Reset Settings button.